सोनी सोनी सी कुड़ी नु मौज में रहने दे ना दुनिया क्यों है कितनी शानदार कुड़ी ये कर देगी कमाल इसे झूमने दे अपनी बीत दे कुड़ी नु नचने दे हाँ नचने दे तू आज लगाने दे ठुमके हाँ चमके कुड़ी नु नचने दे हाँ नचने दे सारे या फिक्रा नु छड़ के बन ठन के कुड़ी नु नचने दे हाँ नचने दे.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zara Ahmed. I am the program lead for DanceFit and I am a studio and a live instructor. So basically I teach DanceFit at AimFit. I think I joined in 2017 and DanceFit has always been my core program because it is beautiful like that. It is the beautiful cardio workout. But now we've also added strength training to it. So in 60 minutes, you burn a lot of calories and you also have a blast doing it. And I feel like AimFit is a beautiful organization. It offers a lot of holistic programs from cardio to strength and it really helps you be the best version of yourself.
Why did you become a part of AimFit?
AimFit just happened out of nowhere, to be honest. I've always loved dancing and ever since I can remember, I've always been looking at outlets that can, be my channel to dance my heart out. So literally randomly on Facebook, I was scrolling one day and I found that they were looking for DanceFit instructors, auditions se call thi, and I just came to the studio and that's how I got in.
What do you dream to achieve through AimFit?
That's a tough one. I want to make DanceFit like a viral program, not even in Pakistan but throughout the world, because I know Zumba is a thing, but I feel like the way we do DanceFit, it's very unique and I want everyone to be hooked to it. So my dream for DanceFit at AimFit is that it needs to become viral like crazy.
How did you come up with the initiative of DanceFit?
I think DanceFit was, if I'm not wrong, I think DanceFit was one of the first programs that AimFit did. They started off from one room, Malika and Noor, and they just started off with DanceFit classes, and that's the first program that was curated. And I think that gave birth to the idea of AimFit.
What are the benefits gained by AimFit members?
Oh, infinite benefits. Number one, it's fun. So now people who say कि workout boring होता है और हमने gym नहीं जाना, I think this is your way to make your workout like a habit. Number two, it's a cardio workout, ठीक है? So, while you're dancing, you don't really feel the intensity to the extent जो एक normal cardio workout की होती है. So आप इतना खो जाते हैं गानों में कि 60 मिनट का पता भी नहीं लगता. And right now, DanceFit has been modified. So other than cardio, उसमें strength भी है, right? Which is equally important for weight loss. So it's like the perfect mix. I feel like this is one of the few programs जो आपको cardio strength दोनों offer करते हैं. Within very less minutes, you're able to burn a lot of calories and you have a fun.
Has the program DanceFit faced any backlash online? If yes, then how did you handle it?
I think we're lucky in a way that DanceFit has always been the most popular program because people have this bias towards dancing and Bollywood tracks. I think the shift did happen when we opted for Pakistani tracks. That was something new and it took a while for people to adapt to it, to embrace it. So I wouldn't call it backlash, but we take feedback positively all the time. So it was like a well-received feedback, but I feel like over the time, people have loved the fact that Pakistani music bhi kafi kamal hai. So I think it worked out for everybody towards the end.
Do you believe AimFit has accomplished the aim it had been started for?
Absolutely. I feel they've done it already, but I know for a fact that Malika will say कि नहीं अभी बहुत कुछ और achieve करना है. But I think जो उसकी essence of making workout fun, addictive, and that too for the women in Pakistan and around the world, I think definitely they've hit that mark.
A message from your side and something motivational for Canadian girls?
I think my only message about DanceFit or AimFit or any other program would be that you work so hard every single day for so many people in your life, especially the way the women and their roles are designated. We're doing things for others all the time. I think now it's time to take out 1 hour for yourself, and if that's too much, start with 30 minutes, okay? You deserve that. So how about you start, taking out time for yourself and start taking care of yourself. AC is like one of the वहाँ जो ख़वातीन का एक प्लेथोरा है. I think all of them can become such great instructors. I know they are amazing dancers over there. So I think I want all of you to join AimFit in different capacities as clients, as instructors, as team members, because this place is going to help you grow like crazy. Alright ladies, let's begin with some freestyle. Add those claps, let loose. Gonna start off with our left side first. Hands go up and down. Let's go. Ha. 3 counts and drop. 2 more sets. Drop. And ha. Let's go back. Right hand out. 1, 2, 3 and lift it up. Again. This time to your right. Drop up. And keep repeating 2 more times. Drop, pull, drop and pull that trigger. Well done. 2 full circles, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. 2 more. Last 2, go. Take those arms up and down. 1 last time. Awesome. Legs down. 1, 2, 3 and tap. Tap. Ha. 2 more sets. You can do it. Go. Low. And tap. And breathe. Push those hips back. Body weight into your heels. Squeeze your hips at the top. Core engaged. Shoulders roll back. And breathe. Excellent job. Recover. Go down. Hold. Toe raises. Bring that arm down with the beat. And stay there. Feel that burn in your quads. Keep going on. A few more reps. I know you are dying right now, but stay with me. Few more reps to go. Keep going on. Almost there, ladies. And then we're going to take that heart rate all the way up. And let's rise. Go. And drop and pull. Alright, fix that energy up. Ha. 2 circles. And bhangra. 2 more. Ha. Round 2. And drop. Breathe. And out. Woohoo. Circle. Ha. Love that. Keep going on, girls. We're not done. Go. Ha. 8 more times. Stay with me. Are you ready to take that heart rate up? Go. Ha. 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 And spread. Arms high. Hold. Ha. So good. Almost done. Last few reps. Pop that chest out. Knees out. Ha. Stay on your toes, we're almost there. Don't give up yet. Ha, to your left. And throw. Breathe. And breathe. Last 2, we're almost done. Ha. And that is it. Well done, ladies. Good job.